Hello and welcome to PH Chemistry. Today's explainer is reduction, the gain of electrons. By the end of this video you'll know how to recognize it, why redox always comes in pairs, and where reduction happens in real-world processes. Reduction is the gain of electrons. The narrower old definition was loss of oxygen, still useful, but the electron version is broader. The mnemonic? Rig. Reduction is gain. At the cathode in electrolysis, positive ions gain electrons. They are reduced to atoms. Three things. 1. Reduction is gain of electrons. 2. At the cathode, ions gain electrons to be reduced. 3. Extracting iron in a blast furnace, iron oxide plus carbon monoxide goes to iron plus carbon dioxide. So iron is losing oxygen, i.e. it's reduced. Common slip. Calling something a reducing agent, but saying it's reduced. The agent that does the reducing is itself oxidized. It loses electrons to give to the other. Reducing and oxidizing are always paired. A quick example. Cu2 plus 2E minus goes to copper. So the copper ion gains 2 electrons, so it's reduced. Fe2O3 plus 3CO goes to 2Fe plus 3CO2. So iron oxide loses oxygen, is reduced. Carbon monoxide is the reducing agent and gets oxidized. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com for more. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, with every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.